Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we are.
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play. Whether Mark Golding lead Jamaica or not, and if what them say about Andrew Holness are true, Andrew Holness a pussy wall and all that uno way back him figure suck on the mother and go because uno no care about the future of Jamaica. Cause I first me I see people are okay with politician and thief money. What do you when Andrew Holness coming with a bag of rule, you know? And say people with gun figure prison few much years. Me I say, how comes politician now no rule? How come you not see no rule? I say if politician thief money, mandatory 10 years or something. See, when we look, the man raised up him pay and he will not agree with it. No, the man I get investigated and bait things that come out. I want to still aside with him. I don't figure suck on no mama and go away. We don't care about the future of Jamaica. I'm sorry say someone I know the gunman them did a comfort to blood clot. You know, Jankro. Someone no pussy will should not exist in a real life. Go suck on no mama and go away. You know, rate Jamaica dirty pat. Whether
my left. Okay, so Miss Woman. Yeah, Jamaica. Rough day. Yeah, me clean up. See my driveway nice. I can't make it up the hill. But me now go over this side. Me now go down this side. I'm now clean all the way go up this side. I'm sorry. But Jamaica, me come for bonfire this morning. Jamaica people. Me come for bonfire this morning, Jamaica. And me come for bonfire upon the Prime Minister. Yes, Jamaica. A long time I not burn the fire upon Andrew. Yeah, me Jamaica people. Long time I not burn the fire upon Andrew. Yeah? But Jamaica, me see where the police I make a lot of breakthrough. Whole heap of people get arrested from the offices of some of these workers at the KSAC. And them say massive fraud and scam. But Jamaica, on a serious level, Jamaica, on a serious level, Jamaica, if the head is corrupt, what you expect the tail to do? In Jamaica? But let me ask the police them something. Let me ask the commissioner of police. I break him here. Remember, let me remind you. When you arrest Andrew, Jamaica, the Prime Minister is the biggest scammer in the country. You hear me, sir? Andrew Holness, Prime Minister of Jamaica, he is the biggest scammer in the country. So Jamaica, if the head is being the scammer, what do you expect the rest of the people to do? If the Prime Minister now lead by example, the Prime Minister leading by example in the scamming, so what do you expect the rest of the people to do? In Jamaica? We know some of them now agree, But this is first in history where a prime minister is suing his own government. But Jamaica, remember when me tell you, say, time will tell what Nigel Clark did to Jamaica and not for Jamaica. See, everything I play out now. Some of the people who can't think and some of them really can't read. I understand not fully dance. Yeah. My understanding is fully dance and they cannot comprehend. So when someone that don't share on the same ideology or support a party or support a so-called leader, only say because them not like the Prime Minister or because me a PNP, I mean not PNP now, even though I support Mark Golding. I would like to see the change. I mean I give Isaac Buchanan my support for the people in my Portland. But Jamaica, it's time for a change. The corruption gone out of control. Now, when you have a prime minister involved in a corruption, him really can't talk to his members, him can't even draw them up, him can't even call for an investigation from his own members because they won't be like, you know the corruption too. You know, so when I go to a place and work and corruption there, I'm not join it. I make sure to stay as far as possible. I don't want to hear nothing, I don't want nobody tell me what nobody do, I stay far from it. Because at the end of the day, if it boils down to me, I have to say something, I will say, I will stand up very proudly and say what I have to say very loud. Because nothing that can pipe on me. But you have the Prime Minister involved in so much corruption in Jamaica. He don't have no face. He don't have no face. And then the people is so blind. Massive corruption. Then we expect the youth them to do. What do you expect the youth them to do if the Prime Minister is the biggest chopper in the country? What do you expect? Hey, Jamaica, I want you to up the face when we are talking about the Prime Minister being such a great.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey girl.
Hey Gabby, what's up? What's up?
Hey, Gabby, what going?
Alright guys, so I just checking in because remember, it's that time of the year again.
Huh? Like what you mean? Like Christmas? New Year?
Valentine? It's that time?
Guys, no. Okay, alright, that was my fault. Guys, it's time again for us to get Jamaicans registered to vote. We are looking for unregistered persons and we're encouraging them to come on the list. And those persons that we register, we want them to register some more people. Because guess what? Remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
Believe no man, we really need to do the thing.
Hey, so what about them people who live side of me this? What about my neighbor?
Hey, me no say you have no neighbor and friend. We're calling all of them because remember, we have up to March 31, the 31st of March to get people registered. So remember, friends don't let friends vote alone. So tell a friend to tell a friend.
Wait a second, Gabby. Tell a friend to tell a friend? No problem. No problem.
You're quick, sir. And the man sent out broadcast message.
Guys, we have to remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
People, time come now.
Let the trumpets play.